Hello and welcome to the Automotive Diagnosis YouTube channel. Today I have a Nissan with surging engine RPM at idle and it is fluctuating as soon as you start the engine. So I will show you the correct procedure to learn the throttle body idle air volume. Let's start. So this is the engine condition at idle. Normally it happens when you replace the throttle body or even sometimes when you disconnect the throttle body connector. So let's see what is the learning procedure. Connect the scan tool, select the Nissan, then select the model of the car that you are working at. In this one, I got Nissan Tiida hatchback. After that, go for the system selection, select the engine, and after that open up the special function menu. In this page, you see the second item, which is for the idle air volume learning. So select that one accordingly. You see all conditions to perform the learning procedure successfully. Engine temperature must be between 70 to 90 degrees. An engine must be running at idle. But what I found which surprised me was the transmission shift lever position. As you see here, transmission must be at park or neutral, and it is the same in the workshop manual. But learning procedure didn't complete on any of those positions, so I tried it when transmission was on drive, and it perfectly worked. Please ensure that you press the brake pedal and keep the handbrake up when doing this. I tested this procedure on another Nissan as well, that one also worked only on drive. So start the engine and let's start the idle air learning. Start the idle air learning and wait for the procedure to complete. Scan tool is asking you to wait for 5 minutes, but I got the test completed message after 2 minutes. But when transmission was on park or neutral, after more than 15 minutes I had the test failure message. Now idle air learning is completed. Turn off the engine, start it again and confirm the engine proper operation. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos.